Take 14. Action. Welcome back to another video. Sid Bones here, and today is Monday. Back to the grind. But it's a grind I've been waiting for because it is Monday mail call. Now, do I get mail every Monday? No. This just happened to arrive today, which is awesome. This is a package from Flytanium. I finally cracked and ordered some new scales. I wanted to follow a color theme. You'll see that in a second. Barbarian Brawny, I know you're going to love this because it fits your theme so well. Anyways, let's get to this unboxing. Let's get to the top-down view. And yes, I am going to be installing some scales on camera today. Now, am I going to do all three? No, I'm going to do one on camera. Then I'm going to do the other two off camera, but I'll show you the results on how the knives look. So let's switch to top down. Let's get to this unboxing first. Let's open this up and get the scales out to play. Get out of here. Don't need that package. First up, let's check out these scales, shall we? These are the scales for the Lander. Of course, you get the Flytanium sticker. Now, let's check out the scales. I wasn't kidding, Barbarian. Black Titanium Scales. Check that out. This is going to be for my Lander. Yes, Space Kitty is taking off the knife. I might get another Lander so I can have Space Kitty back. But for now, Black Titanium. Let's get to the next set. This one is the Banter. Blue Flytanium sticker this time. Black Titanium Scales. I think these are what they call the Groove Scales. Check that out. These are gonna look so awesome in pictures. Now, the final set of scales. The Baby Banter. Oh, this one's sealed. Let's use the Baby Banter to get this one open. Oh, there's something else in here. Ah. Oh, dropped it. The Dead Fly sticker. The Baby Banter Black Titanium Scales. This is what was in the bag. A little fly. I love that. That's sweet. I like that little nice touch. Let's get to the first scales that I'm going to install. What am I going to install here? Let's do the Baby Banter. You know what? Because the Banters are going to be the same. Maybe I'll do the Baby Banter and the Lander. All right, let's get to this installation. First up is the Baby Banter. This one is going to take, what is this one? T8 screws. That is for the pivot and the body screws. The pocket clip. It's a different size. Was it a T6? Yeah, it was a T6. Good, good. Now, I do like that the fact that they have the screws all the same size for all three knives, in a sense. It's been a while since I disassembled this, so bear with me if I make any mistakes. Alright, now let's get to the transfer, shall we? I know this is going to be sweet. Black and red. I gotta learn to pay attention to the camera. I don't think most of that was in focus. I can't do it laying down. I have to do it holding like this because that's how I've done it before. That's what I'm used to. But also, I've never had a camera in front of me while I installed new scales. Actually, I take that back, I did. I don't think it was on YouTube. I don't think it was from my YouTube channel. It was on my Instagram page. But anyways, so far it looks so badass seeing that black and red. All right, now that part is done. Check this out. Beautiful black and red. Beautiful. I love it. Red accents. Black titanium. Red nitro V blade. This one was the ivory Baby Banter. Ooh. Misopened that one, but that looks sweet. Now, let's quickly do the Lander, because the Lander is going to be easier. The Lander is my favorite because they made it so easy to swap scales. I didn't have any issue doing the Space Kitty scales when I first got them. It was relatively quick and painless. So let's do it. Oh, I think these are the T6 ones. Yeah. T6. Now look at that. I really like how easy it is to swap the scales out. Perfect. One of the reasons why I really like it is because you don't have to wrestle with getting the blade back in, because it can be a pain. Oh, I'm done. Look at that. Black Outlander. Titanium scales. Now, titanium is more fitting for the Lander. Why? Because titanium has gone to space. That is my Black Outlander. So now, let's do a jump cut, shall we? And I'll show you what the regular Banter looks like with blackout scales. Let's finish cleaning off this blade. Get rid of my fingerprints from installing these new scales. What do you guys think? The black titanium look do it for you? They're doing it for me. These are going to look amazing in photos, especially this Lander. Ooh, that movement is still good. I do have to get used to carrying my Banter again. I haven't carried my Banter for a while, which is surprising because I really love this knife. It's a perfect utilitarian knife. But yeah, these are the scales that I had on it before. These are the We scales from Knafs and Aurora Knife and Tool. Very sweet. I love these. These got my nerd side just happy as hell. And like I said, these are not from the original Baby Banter that I have here. These are actually my wife's. I like purple, so I slapped it on there. But as soon as I seen these blacked out titanium scales, I had to get them. That black and red is so good. So good. Let's get ready for the outro, shall we? I'm going to end this video here. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing and scale installation video. Don't forget to take the like button out for dinner. Be a gentleman. Take it out for dinner before you smash it. Right, men and ladies? Take it out for dinner. Be nice. Treat it once in a while. You don't just smash that like button all the time. Take it out for dinner. And then while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification. That way you guys can be up to date on when I upload new videos. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Have fun. And I'll see you in the next video.